Welcome to 501 Ludlow Lane. This gorgeous 3-bedroom, 3 full bath home with a 2-car garage, fenced backyard with covered patio, and beautiful interior with luxury vinyl plank and tile flooring inside. It's located in the Ashcroft subdivision in Northeast Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 and I-77, as well as Fort Jackson, Northeast area amenities, and Sand Hills dining and shopping. So we're out front. You can see you have an attractive facade on the home. You have some brick facade around the garage. You have a nice sized driveway, 2 cars wide. The home is at the end of the cul-de-sac. You also have this spur here off the garage that gives you a little bit of additional parking, or just the ability to maneuver a vehicle in the driveway better to back in or back out or turn around. But you have the entry here, nice front door, and that's slightly covered. So as you come inside, you notice the beautiful luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring that is throughout the main level for the most part, with the exception of the bedrooms, the 2 bedrooms that are down here, continues into the bath, and all throughout that main living and kitchen area. So you have a nice size foyer here off the entry. Nice modern light fixture. Right off the entry as well, you do have a sort of a guest bathroom and guest bedroom, which is a bedroom downstairs. So you have front facing bedroom here with a nice size walk-in closet. It does have a TV mount there as well. Then here off the hall, you also have the full bathroom. The floors continuing to here, shower and tub, as well as nice gray vanity with, I believe, quartz countertops, large mirror, and some updated lighting there. And then you also do have a coat closet in this area as well. So this foyer area continues slightly farther. You can see there's sort of 2 separate areas there. And then right off of there, you have the access to the garage, as well as the mudroom area here, and then your laundry room. So a full-size laundry room. You have side-by-side washer dryer connections, some built-in shelving, and space here for some extra storage, furniture, or folding table, whatever you like there. Again, some nice hooks and cabinets in that area, and then the door to the garage. So you have a nice epoxy floor on the garage, some built-in shelving on the back wall here. It's a vehicle parked inside right now. For scale, it's a sort of smaller, medium-sized SUV, just to give you an idea of what you can fit in there. And then we're right back out into the main living area. It's an open floor plan. You can see nice high ceilings and crown molding as well. You have some high windows on the left side for some extra light. There's a beautiful gas log fireplace with the stone hearth and surround. You have a ceiling fan in here as well. You can see nice details such as the wrought iron spindles on the stairs and wood treads. And of course, the living room is open to the dining room here with some nice large windows in there for natural light. Nice modern lighting, and you have a center island in the kitchen with some bar seating, as well as, I believe, quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances. So there is a 4-burner gas range and oven. You have an above range microwave, French door refrigerator with the bottom drawer, freezer. You have tile backsplash also. And there's a pantry here, a corner pantry, which is a nice size. Lots of storage in there. And then out the back doors here, you have access to your backyard. So back here you have, again, this covered patio with a ceiling fan. And then you have some additional patio that extends out to the right. The backyard is fully fenced. So you do have some construction going on in the neighborhood still at the time of this video, but that will change sort of as things fill in. And then your primary bedroom suite is right off the kitchen area, so you can see a nice sized room. You have beautiful high ceilings, tray ceiling in here as well. Window out towards the backyard. And of course, door to access the ensuite bath. You have some nice gray tile flooring in here. Double vanities or double sinks. With nice countertops, a large mirror, and modern lighting, and then a walk-in shower. On the left side, you have a window above for some natural light. Commode is tucked back in an alcove here for a little bit of privacy. Linen closet between the sinks and the walk-in. So you have a nice sized walk-in. As you can see, you have shelving on 3 sides of those walls at 2 levels. And our final bedroom is upstairs. It is the only one upstairs actually, and it does have, I believe, its own private bathroom as well. You do see the nice wood treads on the stairs. So you have carpeting that picks back up in the bedroom. So this bedroom door is sort of right off of the landing. So this is the only room that's up here. It's just basically this, the bathroom, and some attic space. You do have a nice sized closet, as you can see, behind 2 standard doors. That small door does access some walk-in, some attic space. You have to crouch down to the height of the door. Nice flooring in there again, with the matching vanity and countertops from the primary downstairs, and a shower and tub as well. And then behind, so tucked back in the corner here, you do have a linen closet, and I believe this is some walk-in attic storage. It does kind of extend back behind the door as well. But that's, don't want to get trapped in here. So back down the stairs, and that will pretty much complete our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 501 Ludlow Lane in Ashcroft in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information on this beautiful home online at sc.purepm.co.